Hello everyone, thank you for joining today's Words of Wisdom with prayer. Today, I would like to talk about enlightenment. If you know the Japanese character for enlightenment, it is expressed as the left side, mine, and the right side is I or me. So the literary translation of the words enlightenment in Japanese or the Chinese character is actually means my mind. Therefore, enlightenment actually means to know our own mind. What we should seek for is nothing else but to develop and check our own mind. That is enlightenment. So, in the 10th principle from Cantare, this book, chapter 4, Master Ryuho mentioned about the principle of enlightenment. And the principle of enlightenment actually includes the principle of progress and harmony. Progress and harmony. So harmony actually means equality, while progress means fairness. Why? Shakyamuni Buddha once said that Buddha nature in us is actually to be found in everywhere and in everyone. Let's say mountains, let's say rivers, let's say sea, land, or even trees. This is the idea of equality when the Creator, God, created this world. So the basis for the principle of harmony is the idea that every human being or every living thing is child of God. So everyone is equal. Everyone is equal in the sense that we all originated from God, the light itself, and we are all in equal value. So this view of equality is the origin of the principle of harmony. Whereas, what about the principle of progress? Although we all start equal, we all are the children of God, we have Buddha nature within us, we are rewarded by the results that correspond to our daily diligent efforts. So, this is another way be called the laws of cause and effect. As we all know, there's a saying that goes, you reap what you sow. Depends on how much effort you put daily, you will get the result according to what you have done. So this is the principle of progress and the principle of fairness, because depends on how much you have put efforts, you'll gain how much result. Very fair. Okay, so each of us, all human being, is a child of God, and we have the same Buddha nature. As long as our Buddha nature manifests in different stages, we have to keep striving to improve ourselves and keep on give out loves to people around us and respect all this equality in all things. This is what is called enlightenment. Okay, so one of the ways to remove the clouds or strain from our mind so that we can attain enlightenment or restore the brilliance of our mind is that we courageously make efforts to strive to make happiness or create happiness in the world of people around us. Of course, shall not forget that we also have to build a noble character within ourselves. That is a way to seek enlightenment. Of course, there are also 3 other ways that Master Ryuho have mentioned. One thing that is really important, as you might know, it is to explore the right mind. The first point would be discovering our own mind. The second point is attain peace of mind. And the last one will be development of our mind. With all these following steps, we will achieve a way to enlightenment. Thank you very much for today, and now let us move on to the morning prayer. Lord El Cantare, Master Ryuho Okawa, thank you very much for giving us your great light every day. We practice the principles of happiness, love, wisdom, self-reflection, and progress to make the world better with our brothers and sisters. With our gratitude, we will recite the true words spoken by Buddha, prayer to the Lord, and prayer to guardian and guiding spirits. The true words spoken by Buddha, Ryuho Okawa. There used to be the light in the great universe. The light is the energy of Buddha. People can live by this energy, and Buddha's energy has made human history. It will be supplied eternally. This eternal light comes from heaven and prevails on earth. This is the light of heaven. Through the prism of Buddha, there appear the 7 colors of rainbow, arching over in the sky. Here you can see Buddha's mercy. Yellow is the color of teaching. White is the color of saving. Red is the color of justice. Purple is the color of obedience. Blue is the color of thinking. Green is the color of harmony. Silver is the color of progress. These 7 colors help each other, and there appears Buddha land. Buddha land is shining brightly because of gathering of bodhisattvas. This is the land of love or the land of mercy. This is the land of wisdom or the land of teaching. Especially, this is the land of souls rest in peace. Real souls are the children of Buddha. The children of Buddha became real human beings. Real human beings have spirituality. The spirits are immortal powers. The spirits are immortal forces. The spirits are real entities. The physical bodies are the shadows of the spirits. It means you are the boat sailing down the great river. The great river is the symbol of the course of lives. Each of you sails down as a small boat, so you need a boatman. If it were not for your own boatman, you surely go aground. This boatman really means your mind. If your mind makes a mistake, the boat breaks into pieces by a large rock. And you also need a bamboo pole. This pole is the meaning of the true words. When you go down a rapid stream, you need to pond in the stream. Then you can change your course. The true words means the teaching of Buddha. Buddha enlightened and spoke the true words, and Buddha's teaching became a gold mine. This gold mine suggests various teachings. These are another expression of Buddha's truth. It brightens up your days. Or, to put it another way, the fruits of Buddha's mercy. All of you, now, here, listen to me. Never lose your way, now and forever. The guiding hand has already waved. Please follow this white hand and go strictly on and on. Your lives are not limited to this world only. They have 3 aspects: the past, the present, the future. Your past have already gone by, yet still, your mistakes will be kept in your minds. That is the reason why you should understand other people, and you yourself should reflect on what you have done. You and others are not different. On the contrary, both are children of Buddha and brothers and sisters. Now then, love each other. Let us bring up each other, and it's time to forgive each other. This is the eternal law, which penetrates the present and the future. Yes, indeed, the light of the dark night. The dark night of this world is hell. It is also the same in another world. Since you came down to this world, the sun of the truth is scheduled to rise. Now we are watching rising sun. It will shed light to the future, to invite sad people to Buddha land. Now here I command, there shall not be conflict in this world. There shall not be distrust in this world. There shall not be crime in this world. There shall not be evil spirit in this world. There shall not be the devil in the next world. Only the ideal world, utopia, shall be realized. All of the people love each other, live harmoniously, believe in one another. That world is utopia. All of us could be the like of bodhisattvas, believing that the like has reality, believing that love has reality, believing that the truth has reality. These are the facts that should be conveyed. We, the like of bodhisattvas, get together, work together to keep right mind and live in tune with Buddha's words. Here we vow to do so. Prayer to the Lord. Our Lord El Cantare, you are the source of all light, all power, all wisdom, and all love. May you give us light, give us power, give us wisdom, and give us love. O Lord, our Father, please protect this planet of love, Earth. Protect us from all evil and open a future for us. O Lord, thank you for giving us light. We give thanks from the bottom of our hearts. Prayer to Guardian and Guiding Spirits. My guardian and guiding spirits, deep inside of me, you are the fountain of life, the light of hope, the source of wisdom, and a shield of courage. Every day, may you help me develop my soul and refine my mind. Every day, may you give me inspiration and show me the right path to follow. Please protect me from all evil and guide me in living a better life. For this, I give my thanks. Thank you for joining. Have a wonderful day.